Okay guys, in this video I will show you in few minutes how you can optimize your video, how you can make your video be visible for other people to watch. So I'm going to be using YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio, come to contents, then click on the video you want to optimize, then go up here and click on this icon that look like pen. Here you can give title to your video, you can give description to your video, you can make your video visible by putting it on public. Here you can make your video visible or you can make it private. So my own is on visible. If you want to change it to private, just click on this and then you can choose anyone you want here, or you can schedule your video to any day you want the video to be uploaded. Now come down here and look at place where we say audience. This place, good. Just click on this arrow here, then you choose whether your video is for kids or is not for kids, but I will advise you to go for no, it is not for kids. That is, let's go back. Now here you can choose a playlist for your video, but I have not created any playlist, or you can create a playlist for yourself. And the last thing I want to show you that is very important here is this place, more option. So click on the more option, then you have seen a lot of options here where you can give tag to your video. Click on this tag option, then you give any tag that can describe your video. For example, the video I've uploaded on this channel is talking about innovation, so I can write innovation is a tag. Just press enter. I write new generation, I will press enter. So I'm just giving tag to my video. So after that you can just come to the area of category and then choose the category that describes your video. The video is talking about innovation, so this place is not entertainment. I will choose education. If you are done with everything and you are satisfied with everything, just go back and then click on save. That is how you can optimize your video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.